Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 3rd, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from IDEXX Laboratories, a global leader in pet healthcare innovation. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. IDEXX Laboratories has just released their third quarter results, and there's a lot to unpack, from revenue growth to strategic initiatives in their diagnostics segment.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. IDEXX Laboratories reported a net revenue of $1,105 million for the third quarter of 2025, marking a 13% increase as reported and 12% organically. John, can you elaborate on these figures?
Absolutely. The revenue growth was primarily driven by the companion animal group, which saw a 14% increase as reported and 12% organically. This was supported by strong performance in their CAG Diagnostics recurring revenue, which grew by 11% as reported and 10% organically. The company's strategic focus on innovation and customer adoption has clearly paid off.
And what about profitability?
IDEXX delivered an adjusted EPS of $3.40, which is a 21% increase as reported and 15% on a comparable basis. This growth was bolstered by a 100 basis point expansion in operating margin, reflecting their effective cost management and operational efficiencies.
Strategic initiatives and product innovation. John, IDEXX has been quite active in terms of product innovation. Can you tell us more about their strategic initiatives?
Of course. IDEXX has made significant strides with their innovation-driven growth strategy. They've successfully launched new products like the IDEXX Cancer DX and Catalyst specialty tests for pancreatic lipase and cortisol. Additionally, they've placed over 1,700 IDEXX InView DX instruments, which are enhancing diagnostic capabilities and streamlining workflows for veterinary teams.
How does this impact their market position?
These innovations not only strengthen IDEXX's market position, but also create meaningful value for their customers, as evidenced by the strong adoption rates and revenue growth in their diagnostic segment.
Financial outlook and guidance. Looking ahead, IDEXX has updated its financial guidance for 2025. What are the key highlights, John?
IDEXX has raised its 2025 revenue guidance to a range of $4,270 million to $4,300 million, reflecting a positive adjustment due to strong CAG Diagnostics performance. They've also increased their EPS outlook to between 12.81 and 13.01, supported by improved revenue and operating profit margins.
And what about their cash flow and margins?
The company projects an operating margin expansion of 260 to 280 basis points and expects free cash flow to be 95% to 100% of net income, indicating robust financial health and efficient capital management.
CEO's perspective and market sentiment. John, what insights did the CEO, Jay Mazelsky, share about the company's performance and future prospects?
Jay Mazelsky emphasized the exceptional progress IDEXX has made with its innovation-driven growth strategy. He highlighted the strong execution and global customer adoption of their new diagnostic solutions, which are elevating clinical insights and creating value for veterinary teams. The positive market sentiment is a testament to the trust customers place in IDEXX.
It sounds like IDEXX is well-positioned for future growth.
Indeed, their strategic focus on innovation and customer-centric solutions positions them strongly in the market, with a promising outlook for continued growth.